In this comprehensive guide, we shall collect the possible causes behind the iOS 16 flashlight not working or gray out and deliver 14 effective solutions. Whether you're facing this issue due to software glitches or other factors, we are here to help. Part 1. Why is my flashlight not working on my iPhone? The camera is currently being used. Outdated or glitched iOS system. The iPhone has a low battery level, unidentified software issues and malfunctions. Your iPhone is experiencing overheating. The power situation of your iPhone is normal. Part 2. Check out 14 quick fixes to iOS 16. Flashlight not working. Fix 1. Remove the screen protector. Fix 2. Charge your iPhone. Fix 3. Exit the camera app. Fix 4. Ensure your iPhone isn't overheating. Fix 5. Remove the flashlight from control center. Fix 6. Adjust flashlight brightness. Fix 7. Update iOS. Fix 8. Switch off the low power mode. Fix 9. Reset all settings. Fix 10. Factory reset iPhone. Fix 11. Downgrade iOS 16. Fix 12. Force restart your iPhone. Fix 13. Try a 3-yard-party flashlight app. Part 3. Fix iPhone iOS 16 flashlight not working using iOS system recovery left bracket optimal right bracket. It is advisable to address such issues right from the start using a dedicated tool like iOS system recovery. This versatile solution is suitable for a wide range of system issues, not limited to iPhone devices.